So hi guys, you know what? I'm obsessed with these bleach-proof towels, and why is because I do so many highlights, and it's so important to really have this because, you know, as a consumer and as a customer, when I see towels that are frazzled or anything like that, or like stains on them, I really do think like, ooh, I don't know, that's something. So these are things to watch out for, like if they get old or if they've got bleach stains on them, which these won't. These are fabulous. I think it's very important to really keep track of that in your salon, to really keep that salon fresh and new. So these are just like little techniques that I love, little tips with. But bleach-proof black towels, you can wash them, you put bleach on them, love them. Minerva sells them, definitely take care of it. Today we're doing a fun technique. We're painting, balayaging. We're doing baby lights. You know, the trend, it used to be silver, ash, as much platinum as you can get. Now it's really a little bit warmer, sun-kissed, that Hollywood glow, that California glow. There's two ways of doing it. There's a foil way where you foil baby lights into it, and then in the foils you paint in between. That's called foliage. We're not doing that today. We're painting, we're freehanding, and we're being very artistic. So that's what I'm gonna show you today. So let me section away. This is our beautiful model Taylor. So we're gonna start at the top and just start getting her really just set up for a beautiful golden sun-kissed Hollywood tan highlight. What's really fun is we're using a high lift cream, which is this blue one. It's got a bond technology into it, which is great because, you know, there's all this new technology that just came out a few years ago that it's just no longer bleach. I like to call it lifting cream. So when you talk to your clients, don't use the word bleach. But what's also fun is we've come out with all these new conditioners that actually have color in them. This is called honey. So like I was saying to you guys before, we're doing a honey color, but we really don't want it to be like so honey where it's orange or yellow. We just want a kiss of color. So I'm gonna just start right off the bat. So here we go. We're starting our highlights on the side. What I love doing is one side very solid and the other side, there's nothing on it. That's gonna really give you a nice clean line. So here we go. See that really clean line? That's what gives you that clean line, because the other side has nothing on it, and this side has all that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. Going back to over here, same thing with our, I don't want to call them low lights, but they're definitely colors that are darker with the golden highlights. Here we go. I'm just going to put through nice golden highlights right on top of her ashy highlights that she has right now. And it's gonna make such a gorgeous, gorgeous golden color. Sun-kissed, ready for the beach, even in winter. So what a great way to give her a natural tan. A little bit of cotton right before the ear. The reason why we use this cotton is we're gonna keep this right here to separate the sections so they don't bleed upon each other. And we're just gonna continue this all through the hair. So great, all we're doing is repeating this throughout the whole hair. And like I said again, keeping your brush really clean on one side, while the other side, we're just gonna keep painting. And then what is fun, there's so many wonderful conditioners that you can actually use as a low light versus actually using color. So it's healthy, it lasts, it just adds just a little bit of golden touch to it. I like to saturate it a little bit like this. So I'll put it on, you just have to really move it in. So just keep that going, go through the whole hair, and you're gonna have this gorgeous Hollywood tan. Hollywood hair, Hollywood tan, and feel great.